Hello guys, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get nails, bolts, so like bolts, duct tape, planks, half planks, stuff like that. And yeah, the way I do it is pretty simple. Wheat would be the quickest. Wheat is the quickest, obviously. So use wheat. Keep on growing it as much as you can, and after it gives you the XP, it will sometimes give you like those bolts, nails, and things like that. It's pretty simple. As you can see here that I've been doing it already, and I've got quite a lot. I have got 5 bolts, 5 screws, 8 duct tape, 3 planks, 0 wood panels, and 1 nails. So yeah, it's a really useful way of doing it if you do want to improve your barn and stuff. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you are new to this channel, make sure you smash that subscribe button and like this video. And yeah, peace out. Bye.